What's up everybody, Nick here with Tackform. We're gonna go through a quick installation video on our Tacoma vent mount. Super fast, super easy install. To start, when you get the bracket out of the box, the first thing you may have to do is install the ball. We offer this clamp with a variety of different ball sizes, 17 millimeter, 20, 1 inch. So depending on how you got your kit, you might have to secure the ball to the vent bracket, and you want to do that first before it's installed on the vent. So once you have this ball securely fastened onto your clamp, you'll want to loosen these two screws that engage the back plate of the vent mount. You want to loosen them enough to, the bigger the gap you have here, really the easier it is to do the install, but you don't want to loosen it enough to where the back plate comes completely off. So loosen up these two bolts, give yourself a little bit of clamping space. I'll install on the top of the vent, but you could really install it in any of the vent locations, but I like it on the top. Tilt these down on a little bit of an angle, slide it down, in, and then up. And there you go. Now you're into position, and you simply tighten up these two screws. And there you go, you're all set. Next, you can install your phone holder or whatever holder you have. I'm installing the 20 light with our red accent kit. You simply loosen up the knob enough to where it can fit over the ball. Then you tighten it up. And what's nice about these knobs is you can completely lock out these ball and socket joints without having to really crank down on this knob. So just get it tight enough to where the mount stays in position when you're opening and closing the cradle. This way, when you want to loosen it and reposition it, you can do it nice and easy. But it's typically a set it and forget it installation, and there you have it.